Howdy, folks. Welcome to Homestead Kitchen Living this week. You know, a lot of people say to me, Harry, it just seems like you do a similar recipe every week. And I think, well, yeah. I mean, how many different ways can you redo chicken, right? So they say to me, well, why don't you do like keto? I think, okay, keto it is. This week we're going to do keto, garlic, chicken, and broccoli. Want to see how that works out? Come follow me along on this video. My God, what did you eat? Okay, let's get started with our keto, garlic, chicken, and broccoli recipe. Y'all know I like to shred my own cheese, so we're going to shred some extra sharp cheddar cheese for this recipe. Cheese is shredded. Set that aside. Time for some fresh tomato. Slice off about 1/4 to 1/3 of this tomato and slice it down. Dice it up. Transfer it to a plate. Set that aside. Time for the chicken, folks. I cut the chicken breast in half. When I slice this and dice this up, I did about 3 chicken breasts total, about 1.5 pounds. Y'all say to me, well, why are you showing us all of this cutting up, slicing and dicing? Well, the actual recipe says it's a 15-minute recipe. Folks, that's after you do all your cutting and slicing and dicing of your food products. Chicken is sliced. Set that aside. Recipe calls for baby spinach. Well, I had regular spinach, and guess what? Now it's baby spinach. Time to get started cooking. Cooking oil, medium heat. Heat the oil up and spread it around. Put the chicken in a pan. Spread that around. Season it with some sea salt, some Italian seasoning, and some pepper. Spread that around, turn up the other side, season it again with some more sea salt, some Italian seasoning, some more pepper. Now we're going to spread that around. Total of about 5 minutes of cooking, so it's properly cooked all the way through. Now we're going to smash some garlic. I did about 4 or 5 cloves of garlic here total. Spread that around and cook that in. Let the garlic flavor seep in to your meat here. Now let's add the tomatoes, some broccoli, frozen broccoli I used, baby spinach. Again, spread that around for 2 or 3 minutes and get that cooked down. Now we're ready for the cheese. We're going to spread the cheddar cheese on top. And we're going to use about 1/2 block of Philadelphia cream cheese. Continue stirring that around over medium heat till it all melts down good and proper. And there you go, folks. Ready to go. Look at that. Can you smell it? I can. And it smells good. Can't wait to taste it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Who says you can't have keto and have good taste? That's a meal in one right there, folks. Without the starch, and if you're on keto, you don't want starch anyway. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed watching it, much as I've enjoyed making it. If you did, click the like button. Subscribe. Share it with a friend. Just remember, when the going gets tough, it's tough to find something to eat. Homestead Kitchen Living, making cooking fun again. And if you're really down, don't forget, go with Jesus. You'll have a great day. Thanks again for watching.